Bonjour! Today we are going to conjugate second category verbs, the IR ending verbs. We've got approximately 490 verbs and the list is coming right after the ending of this video. All the verbs, none is missing. And I will also leave the link in the description to open up the website which helps in conjugation of the verbs. That is a very excellent site that comes from a famous newspaper of France, Le Figaro. And even this newspaper has launched its own application which works offline to conjugate the verbs in all forms. Every form, none is missing. So you'll see that after the video is ended up. We have known that the ER ending verbs are conjugated simply by adding a with the je, the verb, and in the ending E, and then ES, and then EE, ONS, EZ with VU, IL with ENT, and L with ENT. That is the simplest rule we have learned with our ER category verbs. Now with IR, the second category verbs, what we do is we add S, S, T, 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 and then ONS, EZ, ENT, ENT. But in between the conjugation remains very different and it's not easy. Okay, we conjugate the verb sortir, which means to go out, you know, like for outing, like you want to go out for a walk, a quick walk, something like that. You want to go out for a movie, you want to go out for a movie with a friend, anything like that, like to go out. Okay, sortir, you cut down the IR first of all, and then T is also gonna get replaced. Okay, we conjugate it first of all. Je sors, tu sors, il sort, elle sort, on sort, nous sortons, vous sortez, ils sortent, elles sortent. I go out, he goes out, she goes out, we go out, they go out. Boys and girls go out. That is how, what it actually means. Okay, and then we conjugate the verb dormir, which means to sleep, to fall asleep. I want to say I sleep, so I'll say je dors. I had cut IR, of course, but M is also going to get disappeared for a while and it will appear in the conjugation with nous, vous, il, and elle. Okay, conjugate. Let's conjugate it properly. I sleep, je dors. You sleep, tu dors. He sleeps, il dort. She sleeps, elle dort. We sleep, like the informal we, yeah? So, on dort. We, formal now. Nous dormons. Vous, the formal one. Vous dormez. You sleep. Boys sleep. Ils dorment. And then girls sleep. Elles dorment. Je dors, tu dors, il dort, elle dort, on dort, nous dormons, vous dormez, ils dorment, elles dorment. I know the conjugation is difficult, c'est difficile. Ok, voilà, je vous laisse le conjugateur Le Figaro. Application for the iPhone users and even for the Android users. It's free. If you don't want to use the conjugator, you can simply open up the website. The link is gonna go into the description. You can open up from there, and it will give you the conjugation of each and every verb. You just need to put in the bar, the conjugation bar. There's a bar that's gonna appear. You put the verb you want to conjugate, and the whole verb is gonna get conjugated, right? Okay, now we conjugate the verbs which are a little bit difficult in second category to conjugate, like finir. Now, conjugation is like je finis, tu finis, il finit, elle finit, on finit, nous finissons, vous finissez, ils finissent, elles finissent. See, it's different. The conjugation is different. You see, fini ends up with is in je case. In tu case it ends with the is. In il, elle and on case with it. In nous case ISSONS, and then in vous case ISSEZ. In il and elle case ISSENT. These verbs are a bit difficult to conjugate, but you will have to do the practice. I'm going to leave all the 480 verbs and even the conjugate you can conjugate and try to make a little bit of sentences. I sleep at 11 p.m. Je dors at, I have already told you, je dors à 11 p.m. You can write it in two ways. You can simply write 11, or you could write 23 heures. Je dors à 11 heures. Now you will have to mention je dors à 11 heures. Now you will have to mention if it is morning or evening. You know, some people sleep in the evening, some people sleep in the morning. Night shift, day shifts, the job people. But you will have to mention. If I write je dors à 23 heures, it means of course it's nighttime now and I sleep at that. Je dors à 23 heures. Okay, now we conjugate the verb grandir, which means to grow up or to grow. To grow some plants, vegetables, anything. Je grandis, tu grandis, il grandit, elle grandit, nous grandissons, vous grandissez, ils grandissent, elles grandissent. After doing all three categories of verbs, I will leave approximately 50 to 60 verbs which are going to be very helpful in conjugation of DELF A1 level students. Keep up your level, practice very nicely, neatly, and it should be on your fingertips to make sentences, to write the accurate form. And here I leave all the stuff you need. Bonjour et au revoir.